क्लिक करा. वॉर्मिंग अप चिट चॅट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डिस्कस अँड आन्सर. 1. Are there any situations when you get afraid? Answer. I get afraid if I am alone at home, if it is dark, at the time of examination, and when I have to travel alone. 2. How would you react if you have to travel alone? जर तुम्ही एकटे प्रवास करत असाल तर तुमची काय प्रतिक्रिया असेल? आन्सर. I try to remain calm. I will look around for written directions on boards. I will ask the police if I cannot find my way. 3. How would you react if you had to stay alone at home? तुम्हाला घरी एकटे राहावे लागले तर तुम्हाला कसे वाटेल? आन्सर. I keep the TV on if I am alone at home so that I feel someone is talking in the room. 4. What will you do if you were lost in a new city? तुम्ही काय कराल जर तुम्ही एखाद्या नवीन शहरात हरवलात तर? आन्सर. I will ask some aged person to show me the way to the nearest police station. I will tell my problem and address to the police and seek their help. Question number 2. Complete the following table. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला टेबल दिलेला आहे. या टेबलमध्ये 3 कॉलम आहेत. इडियम्स, मीनिंग्स आणि युअर ओन सेंटेन्स. 1. बर्ड्स आय व्ह्यू. मीनिंग व्ह्यू फ्रॉम समवेअर हाय, म्हणजे सर्वसमावेशक दृष्टीने पाहणे. सेंटेन्स. आय गॉट अ बर्ड्स आय व्ह्यू ऑफ द टेम्पल फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द हिल. 2. ॲज फ्री ॲज अ बर्ड. मीनिंग इफ ही ऑर शी इज केअर फ्री, म्हणजे निश्चिंत होणे, तो किंवा ती निश्चिंत होणे. सेंटेन्स. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग हर एक्झाम शी विल बी ॲज फ्री ॲज अ बर्ड. 3. ईगल्स आय. मीनिंग हीज ॲबिलिटी टू ऑब्झर्व समथिंग क्लोजली. एखाद्याची क्षमता, एखाद्या गोष्टीला जवळून निरीक्षण करण्याची क्षमता. सेंटेन्स. द सुपरवायझर लुक्ड ॲट द कॅन्डिडेट्स विथ ईगल आय. 4. Spread one's wings to try to work on things independently. Sentence. After getting the job, I could spread my wings for the first time in life. Find more such idioms using the following keywords. First, fly, fly high, fly in the ointment, a fly on the wall. 2. Animals, the lion's share, a snake in the grass. 3. Colors, once in a blue moon, stick to one's color. Side questions. 1. What did the young seagull feel? लहान सीगलला काय वाटले? The young seagull felt that his wings would never be able to support him to fly. 2. Why did the young seagull feel hot? त्या छोट्या सीगलला उष्णतेची झळ का जाणवली? The young seagull felt hot because it had not eaten anything since the previous nightfall. The sun was also ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge. 3. What were the young seagull's parents doing? लहान सीगलचे आई वडील काय करत होते? The young seagull's father was cleaning his white back, feather smooth with his beak. His mother was looking at the young seagull. She stood on a little high hump on the plateau. 4. What were the young seagull's brothers and sisters doing? लहान सीगलचे भाऊ बहीण काय करत होते? आन्सर. The young seagull's brothers and sisters were calling to him in a shrill voice. 5. What did he forget? तो काय विसरला? He completely forgot that he had never been able to fly. English workshop. Question number 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. खालील विधाने चुकी बरोबर ते सांगा. A. The young seagull was not confident about the ability of his wings. True. B. The young seagull's parents guided and improved his siblings in the art of flying. True. C. When the young seagull pretended to be falling asleep, his parents noticed him. False. D. Flying across the young seagull, the mother dropped a piece of fish into his beak. False. Question number 2. Complete the following statements. A. The seagull is afraid to fly because he is not sure whether his wings would be able to support him. B. Young birds are afraid to make their first flight because they are not sure that their wings would support them. C. Human beings find it difficult to face great challenges because they are not sure about their capabilities. Question number 3. Read the following words carefully and make meaningful sentences by using them. A. Plaintively, शोकाकुलपणे. The criminal spoke about the food in the jail plaintively. B. Beckon. The teacher beckoned the student by indicating with the finger. C. Wait, धार लावणे. The pigeons were wetting their beaks on the tin roof noisily. D. Monstrous, भयानक स्वप्न. I had a nightmare in which I saw a monstrous creature attacking me. E. Curveting, उडी मारणे. The lion waited for some time, then suddenly curveted towards its prey. F. Soar. The aeroplane soared up into the clouds within minutes. Question number 4. Read the following words carefully and fill in the blanks by choosing appropriate word given in brackets. A. Arun is full of cowardice. B. The violin played very shrilly and merrily. Ravi said, "Are you really afraid of the dark?" D. The whole village plunged into darkness. E. The lions devoured their prey hungrily. F. He skimmed through the report. G. One by one the stars appeared in the sky. Question number 5. Read about the space mission of Sunita Williams. Imagine you are going to interview her. Frame 10 to 12 interview relevant questions regarding. सुनीता विल्यम्सच्या अंतराळ मोहिमेविषयी माहिती मिळवा. आणि आपल्याला या ठिकाणी इमेज करायचं आहे की आपण सुनीता विल्यम्सची मुलाखत घेत आहोत असं समजून. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला 10 ते 12 प्रश्न आपल्याला बनवायचे आहेत. त्यासाठी पुढील मुद्द्यांचं सहाय्य आपल्याला या ठिकाणी घ्यायचं आहे. आन्सर 1. वेअर वेर यू बॉर्न. 2. टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट युअर एज्युकेशन. 3. Where did you take the training for the space mission? 4. How long did you have to take the training? 5. What kind of food do you eat in space? 6. When did you first fly into space? 7. How was the experience? 8. What are your future plans? 9. How do you feel now that you are selected for the next mission? 10. How did you prepare yourself for it? 11. What is your message for the young generation? Question number 6. Describe in your notebook the challenges you faced while learning to ride a bicycle or swimming or any skill. Take hints from the web to complete your write-up. सायकल चालवायला किंवा पोहायला किंवा इतर कौशल्य शिकण्यासाठी तुम्हाला कशा प्रकारे आव्हानांचा सामना तुम्ही केला याचं वर्णन या ठिकाणी आपल्याला करायचं असणार आहे. सायकल चालवण्याविषयीचं आव्हान आपण पुढीलप्रमाणे लिहू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला सायकल चालवण्याचे आव्हान हे लिहिता येईल. मित्रांनो,